Several tractor trailers are getting stuck on this hill here. Reporting live out of Jerome, Missouri off the 44 exit westbound. Eastbound seems to be moving okay. Here I come.
You can see through the window.
And here comes MoDOT. Absolute disaster. I mean, how is every one of these trucks going to get traction enough to go up this hill? And it's supposed to keep snowing up until 2 in the morning, so this is an absolute disaster. Well, you give one guy a push, the next guy needs a push, the next guy needs a push. They probably should have shut the route down and reopened probably 2 a.m. until they got the roads cleared, but these trucks can't make it up.